Today I'm so excited to have a guest in my kitchen. He's my friend and he's the co-owner of Girasoli Restaurant here in Pittsburgh, Gino Girasoli. And he's going to teach us how to make Italian ricotta cheesecake. You want some wine that you brought? You want to start drinking?
Oh, so good. Should have brought more wine.
Well, I'm a lightweight.
No, really. You see where you were? Cheeks were all red.
I want you to taste what I made, and I know you'll be honest because you have no filter. So I will say that I put the cherries on a little too early, and so maybe it soaked in the cake a little bit.
So where'd you get the maraschino?
Oh, so I went to Labriola's and I got this jar. Look, it's a glass jar. It's from Bologna. Did you ever see this?
I want to taste
just the cheesecake.
the cheesecake.
Gino prepares a springform pan by generously coating it with butter and then a dusting of flour.
John says wherever you read butter, it means a lot.
Yes, I know. He loves a lot. To start our crust, we combine toasted sliced almonds, flour, sugar, and salt, and process for 10-15 seconds. Ounce of salt. This is the flour, and then the sugar, and then grind that up. Then, oh, I didn't plug it in.
Let's add the egg yolk.
In a separate bowl, we first whisked together the egg yolk, cold melted butter, and vanilla, and added that to our almond mixture. So I have an egg yolk here, and I have your butter and your vanilla.
Gina, I had enough of you already.
Here, one little nice little spatula. Wait, I'm gonna give you my super cute spatula. Look what, it matches my shirt.
No, this I think you pulse.
Okay, so that's the butter. There, and here's some vanilla.
That's it.
That's it. All right, so we're gonna put this in here. You know what I like to do is I like to use the back of like a measuring cup.
I use my fingers.
All right, I can't get this out of here. Oh my lord. Oh, it just leaves some.
How can I have a cooking show and not use my own equipment?
Listen, I'm a real person. Do you know the pioneer woman? She was on a ranch and she was married to a cowboy. And she's so happy all the goddamn time. Nobody's that fucking happy.
See how I'm doing this with my fingers?
Yeah.
Pushing it up the side.
Once we formed our crust, we chilled it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we baked it for 15 minutes and let it cool completely before adding our filling. So, we had such good video about our filling, except for I forgot to hit record. So let's tell them what we did. Now we beat the cream cheese and the sugar first and some salt. After about 1 minute, we scraped down the sides and we added our ricotta cheese and let that mix for another 2 minutes. And then we beat the eggs one at a time, and you scolded me because I didn't scrape down the sides between adding the eggs. Then we mixed in our vanilla, amaretto, and cornstarch. And then we added some orange zest, the zest of one orange, and you also scolded me because you said the last time I whipped it too long. Is that where we are?
She tries.
Here's our almond crust. Look nice? Okay. And it does look creamier than when I did it last, so you think I overbeat it for sure. All right. It smells amazing. I love the smell of the orange. I'm gonna put that bad boy in the oven. We put our cheesecake in the oven at 325 degrees for 45 minutes. But it's pretty jiggly. What do you think? And it's not raw.
How do you know it's
But
not
it's
raw?
super jiggly. Gino used to be a wallflower, Celia.
Yeah?
Yeah, he used to hold up the wall. And then I was doing jiggling, baby. I guess being over jiggly isn't always good, so we put our cake back in the oven and reminisced about our dancing days. A little less jiggly. What do you think of this? Wait, I'm gonna jiggle it.
Very cool.
You don't think I should put it back in?
No, that's enough.
It's gonna burp. It's best to chill your cheesecake overnight, and once it's completely chilled, remove it from the springform pan.
Leash the cheese.
You can see that our cake came easily away from the sides, and the crust is beautiful. What made you decide to do the maraschino cherries? I really like that. I think it tastes delicious with it.
Just 3 only.
I put a whole like container on
I know you did. You know.
Are you saying I'm excessive?
Well, you have orange in there. And the orange and cherry might go nice, but not too much.
So what are you saying? You're saying just put it on to dress it right when you're ready to serve. All right, Gino, I'll do that. Gino was right again, so I sliced my plain cheesecake and only added my cherries when ready to serve. I only added 3 and some syrup and a slice of orange. Tomorrow when you come to the restaurant, I will have this cheesecake for you, and you can tell me if it's good, okay? Thanks for cooking with me. Are you gonna come back or you? There you have it, Italian ricotta cheesecake with marocchino cherries, sliced oranges, and almond crust. It's nutty, light, citrusy, and cheesy. For this recipe and more recipes that will put a cheesy smile on your face, visit my website, The Nighttime Cook. And if you like this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. I make new videos weekly, and I really appreciate your support. Thanks for stopping by.